Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at AWS Opsworks, which is a configuration management service that provides fully managed instances for Chef and Puppet. So to really understand what Opsworks is, we need to understand what configuration management is. So configuration management is the act of maintaining a specific software configuration and the ability to remotely make configuration changes to servers in a way that they can be monitored, audited, and automated. But we also need to understand software provisioning. So software provisioning is the act of configuring software packages on servers, setting up all the software and configuration requirements to run a web application. And then we have application deployment. That is the act of deploying new versions of web applications or rolling back to a previous web application version. So they all sound like the same thing, but they're all under the scope of configuration management. So if you want some examples of some open source software that does all the above, we're talking about Chef, we're talking about Puppet, we're talking about Ansible, and we're talking about SaltStack. So Opsworks provides managed instances for the automation platforms Chef and Puppet. So those are the two that we're going to be looking at. Opsworks lets you use Chef and Puppet to automate how your EC2 or on-premise compute is configured, deployed, and managed. So see those three things and see how we had those three categories prior. Opsworks eliminates operating your own configuration management systems, worrying about maintaining its infrastructure. Opsworks allows you to clearly define the layers of your stack, such as your load balancer, your application, and your database. And Opsworks has three offerings. They have the Opsworks Stack, they have Chef Automate, and then Puppet Enterprise. So there you go.